2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.